Them wake up, Tommy. Tommy, wake up. Come. Tommy, wake up. Come in. Tommy, drop a new song for Masicka. Good youth. Masicka, you're good youth. Listen.
Cry crocodile tears, 7.62 out boy face. Cause I know say you nothing violate. Boy could hide under crocodile tears. Dead body, dead body pass here. We have dead body pass here.
What was that?
I skull lift up when the unlock blaze. Soul reaper in the place.
What was that?
Everything I did again. Everything in the gem. The killer fling it in a them. Me no fire in a neck. A shot a fling in a them head.
Pull up.
Me see them a cry crocodile tears, 7.62 out boy face. Cause I know say you nothing violate. Boy could hide under crocodile tears.
Don't forget, like, comment, share, subscribe. Me forget to tell you that.
Dead body pass here. We have dead body pass here. I skull lift up when the unlock blaze. Soul reaper in the place. Everything I did again. Everything in the gem. The killer fling it in a them. Me no fire in a neck. A shot a fling in a them head. Every nigga get a copper. Every bitch I get a lead. Every soul me I go catch that can bring it in a hell.
What you say? Kill Bob. You don't disturb me when I listen to my music.
Family, you're killing it again. Make all a reason in no massacre, my friend. Why you love the flow so much, afraid that did yourself. And everything you drop, we give you 0 out of 10. You wait. Now the gem, the killer fling it in a them. Me no fire in a neck, a shot a fling in a them head. Every nigga get a copper, every bitch a get a lead. Every soul me I go capture that can bring it in a hell. Family, you're killing it again. Make all
Here flow.
reason in no massacre, my friend. Why you love the flow so much, afraid that did yourself. And everything you drop, we give you 0 out of 10. You wait full of problem, that they fucking up your meds. Give me this, not drink.
Man say your weed full up of blame, but that mess up your meds. Man say, give me this time. Give me this Masicka.
Look what you're doing to yourself. How for type to be your influence in nonsense.
Yo! Oh, put the IVB influence and it don't have no sense. Relax.
Tell me why you're dodging all the
Man say I shall piss in my head. And what is? And what is?
thing them want me said.
With the pan life, you know.
Organs, why I'm beat you and your friends. And tell them what you did, what make the man them trim your head. Call the badness what you're talking about, me know you're innocent. You are good, you only dumb bad attack. You are good,
I want him. Oh!
not a goat, that a fraud. Can I
I'm
be the
something
king?
pop up.
I'm taking it too hard. No space, not a mile, go lie. So a dead body pass here. We have dead body pass here. Dead body pass here. I would that they are up. Remember when you try to bad, you get a vehicle shut up. 6 man in a car look like say Uno did a lap up. All the niggas by
Joshy, go and sit up. Go sit down, Joshy. Oh, I'm to you. Who let a chat up? Remember when you get a car shut up, 6 man in a car lap up.
pussy have your ugly mama cock up. Me have crocodile to kill me, no have no time to follow that up.
You tell me this, eh? I have crocodile if you kill him, I have no time to follow that up. Joshy, man, I tell us you're not important. See yourself out this clash.
It no get a better chance to win the lotto. Remember Jamie Boxer make you feel a teeth a rackle. Goofy Boxer must see my that would a rotten in a cafe. Still I envy over crown.
Man, remember Jamie Boxer make your teeth a rackle. Goofy Box Tommy Lee with a in a coffin. Masicka, badness is improving.
See people things I'm yo. Yo, she ain't good.
Hold on, here ya.
Chance to win the lotto. Remember Jamie Boxer.
Here ya.
Say Uno did a lap up. All you niggas buying pussy have your ugly mama cock up. Me have crocodile to kill me, no have no time to follow that up. Mosquito no get a better chance to win the lotto. Remember Jamie Boxer.
Man say Masicka you have a better chance of winning the lotto, dog. Man say you can't win him in a clash, Masicka.
So make you feel a teeth a rackle. Goofy Boxer must see my that would a rotten in a cafe. Still I envy over crown. You know see people things I'm yo.
Masicka, man, say you still a envy over crown. You know, she said people things are mad, yo. Masicka, man, I tell her, say, people things is mad in you.
Yo, she ain't good. Hey, tell me how you feel, bro. Everywhere you look and you see every crook I sweep out. Everything I turn on them, I turn on in a meme, bro. Nah, stop tapping on your head until you're weak out.
Creativity is on point. I'm sorry.
Tell her this already, say your feature me no need, bro. Listen to me good and make me tell her who fi get, bro. Get a bad rhythm, bill a course with no teeth. I take it and should be now your mama full speed, bro. Party on the 14, yeah, me hold a circle. Buy a Glock for your birthday and bring a hearse to. Would I sing dirt day to you in person? Nah, bad a location, a cocky turtle. Know you.
Go back. Go back. Come again, Masicka.
On 14,
Come again,
yeah, me
Tamale.
would a circle. Buy a Glock for your birthday and bring a hearse to. Would I sing dirt day to you in person? Nah, bad a location, a cocky turtle. No, you
Masicka, man, I say you're fag. Man say would sing dirt day to you in a person, but him not bother circle you because guess what? The location name Cocky Turtle. Empty me clip! I'm Tono.
say you pick the location from purpose. When me say your son a go be fish, me very
gonna reload and come
thing
again.
and daddy been a do behind curtain. Can't take your body serious, that's why me paw patrol you. And yo, reverse this. Sound food, man, right now with the coast.
Pause it, Panny Boss. We have to pause it, Panny Boss. Yo. Bro. We're proud of Tamale, bro. Yo, we're proud of that man, dog. We're proud of man, dog. Proud of Tamale, bro. I'm proud. I'm not going to tell you why I'm proud. Because I'm not going to lie. I will never come on here and lie to anybody. And I've said this before. Over here, I'm going to give my honest opinion on anybody music. And the reason why Tamale surprised me and the reason why I'm proud, I know Tamale did bad from a long time. But I had Masicka at such a high pedestal where I thought this would have never been possible for see Masicka is getting overthrown by Tamale. Like, me know the clash would have close, but bro, Tamale make it look like it's not close none at all. It is ridiculous. It is embarrassing, bro. At this point, Tamale, bro, you're not even not, bro, me even think you're clashing right now, bro. I feel like you're just a trolling, bro. And you win. Me never seen nobody troll no man in a music yet. And win a clash. No, bro. Masicka, boy. Bet you just turn rasta like me in a youth and just spray the broom in a youth and just know say your ear we're gonna sell 2 broom in a youth. Me not sell the broom still, but you know, I feel like I don't if you go BG. Me disappointed, bro. But Tamale, big up yourself, like, comment, share, subscribe soon in the next one.